a Sunliner. Sun because it's yellow and of course the sun is shining bright. And liner just because this one is a very straight flying paper airplane. So if you want to do a competition, which one is the furthest, you should choose that one. Let us try the Sunliner. Oh, that was in the roses. But anyway, try it yourself. Have fun!
Now join me as we're doing it together. First thing, you fold the paper in half. Make sure it's the long side. To help, I usually take a ruler. Then you reopen it again. You fold in the two corners onto the middle line. Other side as well. And again take the ruler. That really helps. Then you put the peak down to the other side just to mark it. You don't need to fold it very tight, because what you're going to do now is fold the triangular shape so that the corners really match up. This one needs a ruler again. Now you have one straight line down the middle. We're going to take now the corners to fold it to that line we thought before. Bring it to the middle line and the other side as well. Now you reopen it because we need this one in the other direction. So fold it inwards on both sides and then fold it in. Now that looks better than before. There you can see another imaginary line, and we do another triangle. The peak comes out on the front, and it's a very nice triangle. Now you turn it round and fold it once along the middle line. Then you want this line to match the lower line. So fold it down and make sure that they make the same line. Other side as well, as always. Now, you take the back and fold it in. Another little triangle. Maybe you need the help of your parents, but that makes a paper airplane flying slower and moves the front into the air so that it goes further. Now, we are ready, but if you want to improve it, take a pencil. Put it that the pencil points to the front, underneath the wing, and fold only the upper side, so that it builds that little D shape, and on the other side of course as well. Make sure again that the pencil points to the front. With this improvement, you're gonna reach even further. Let's go!